Nice to meet you to this new episode of Wigbit. In this season I would like to show you the Yamaha Natural Sound DVD receiver RDX-E700. This is a long name for a so small machine. But first we need Mr. Brush, you know this. It's so dirty here, you cannot believe. It's dust and dirt. You can see that on the 4K video, how much dust and dirt we have here. It's unbelievable. I don't know where it comes from, but they said from the property management said it comes from the construction set, but there is no construction set nearby. This is the crazy thing. Yes, first of all I would like to make a test what's happened with this machine. And here's the connector. And on. I can switch this on. Funny, huh? No possible switch on. In that case we disconnect it from the mains, and what I'm gonna do is to open this box, disassembly it. I do that every time, disassembly it, and 4 screws on the back side. We see the connections here. It's also a SCART connector. I'm not sure that you have that in your country. SCART connectors came from France, and all the European video machines must have this in the 90s, end 80s, 90s, and 2000 and 2010. And then nobody knows that. Then it came as a HDMI. No, first is coming the DVI and then the HDMI connector. So, super, it's open. It's open, and now we have an interesting that I see. First, you can see it here. Here's the power supply. Here came the mains in, power supply, and what is here? Looks like interesting. No. Is it blown or not? It's interesting. This fuse looks like with no wire inside, and we make a test. We test it with the measurement. We go to the beep C, and measure it, and it's okay. Beep C say it's okay, but now we also measure the cable. In case of maybe the cable is interrupted inside, and I have that often that some of the cable it's connected, and the second one is also connected. This is good, and we don't have a short. There's no short. That means the machine have another issue. Power supply issue also can be. It's inside, it's dirt. I don't know what's happened here with this dirt. The first thing what we must understand is how the power supply is working, and maybe we have a plan or so. We can watch inside, it's better. Here's a capacitor. Aha! On the side here are the screws for the power supply to build it out. I don't see that first. I'm blind. What shall I say? This is complicated to see these 2 screws so big in the side, and so then now it's out, and the power supply should be lifted out or not. Yeah, it's okay. it's coming out. Here it's one. This ring is for the suppression, the switching supply. It's going to the network, and it's not that the high frequency from the switching transistor is not coming, or from the switching power supply, it's not coming to the mains network. This is important. Look, it's a big power supply. And we measure maybe a diode is defect or whatever. No. Can also be not switching, and the transistor is here defect. This is the input electrolytic capacitor, and here we have a Gretz. This can also be interrupted, and so on. I mean, it's a little bit search on it. It's a complicated system. Look, for the mains. Inside came here the 230 mains to this, over the fuse here to this rectifier, and this rectifier will be measured now. And we can measure it. Do we have a short on the capacitor, on the big one? No. No, we don't have any voltage. No voltage. No. Also no voltage. Yeah, this we should test by the diode tester. It here is nothing. Nothing. Okay. 0.5, 0.5, and here the double. This is interesting. Why it's 0.517. Why? Normally you have from the rectifier here, you have one diode to here. Oops, to one diode to here, to this place. To this place, and one diode to this place. Yeah. Looks good. Other direction. And from here to here. Looks good. And this also looks good. All looking good, but not working. How can that be? Those is here. Switching transistor. Don't know. What is this for transistor? We must think about. Maybe you're searching the plan first. And here we have diodes. It's also here. 0.72. This is less. 0.0. Is this normal? Interesting. Maybe I measured the transformer. Oh, here is a punched Elko. Look at this. This is a punched Elko. Look. Here we have a punched. It's from in to out. Maybe this make the short. Could be make the short. Need to analyze this. What's happened with that? This is interesting. On both sides are short. This is interesting. Why they have so much shorts? Looked. 1000 microfarads, 16 volts. It's defect, definitive defect. And we must measure here. We have here now, and now we have also a short. Oh no. Do we have the short now? The same short. Interesting. all short. This is looks like normal. 1.7. In both directions short. That means kaboom. Kaboom. Basically, all diodes defect though. Hey, come on, that cannot be. What's happened with this? It sounds like there is a terrible thing what is going on here. Okay, I would like to open up one of the diodes and have a watch what's happened with this. It's the same. I mean, how can that be? That confused me, that not one part is defect, is all defect. This is what is this for? Fantastic transistor here. It looks like also interest. But that the diodes are also defect, so how can that be? We check up this diode first. First we check up this, put it out a little bit, and with one foot in the air and measure it now, and it looks correct. It's and here, this, fantastic. Maybe I measured the transformer, but it's interesting. And here is not so extreme. The diode is okay, and it's closed. And here it's closed, and this diode is also okay. Looks good. But what is here? Why the capacitor? Maybe this capacitor is also defect. Can that be? Yeah, it's interesting. It's also in both directions. Very funny. Very funny. It's not so funny, but okay. This diode I disconnected from the rest of the thing. Okay, and we lift it out and check it up. I don't think so that they are defect. No, these diodes are not so defect. Oops. No. I must solder again. And what's happened with it? I take a smaller pliers. What's happened with this? Zack. And now I must measure it again. You can see this? No, you cannot see this. This is the problem. 0.5. And it's okay. But the output to the ground, it's not okay. From here to here, it's not okay. Look. This can also be a sign. It's a sign. Yeah. We must desolder the capacitors and where is the short coming or going? The short. It's a short. Zack. And now we have the short or no short? Where is the short? This is a fantastic job, searching the short. Look, the short is here. Ah, maybe this is the short. This is a short. It's doing the short here. Looks like here. Oh. But what is really short here? It's short. It's a short. And why? Where is it? Can be hidden, huh? No. Here's also a capacitor. Maybe it's this defect. Huh? We must check all of these transistors and checking whatever it means. I must check up this. And now we check up this transistor, or what transistor is it not? Is a with 4 feeds. A transistor with 4 feeds is what? Is maybe a regulator or stuff like this. So we desolder this now and have to measure, is it here or not? The short gone or not? Then we know the short is here. Look, the pin is going here to here. And now 0 ohms. To this place is no short. Yeah, but where is the short? Here or to here? There's also a capacitor. This little capacitor? No. Hey, no way. Cannot be. Or is it? There is no IC. And this capacitor is no short, or no? Is it? Between here and here is a short. A massive short. This pin is in the air. What is here? It's high impedance, and here we can have the watch. It's. Do you think this is this capacitor? I don't think so. Long time I repair, but this is not the capacitor. And now the short is not gone. It's also here. But what happened? Why it is here? Look. It's fascinating, huh? It's fascinating me. Maybe this is a short. Oh. Here is one. It's going here and this end here. That means the short must be in the other direction. In this direction. Here. No, here's no short. What is this for a part? It's going here. Aha, here is a. I cannot see it at first. Here is a wire soldered in. Aha, that means look, here is a wire. Here is a wire that's going here. Not this capacitor is have the issue. It's going here. Here is the wire under this glue, and on the other side is what? Here comes from here to here and here. What is this? This is a This is I don't know what it is. Okay, it comes here. It comes here, and where it is going, this is interesting. Where are you going? Where are you going? Here is this thing, okay, and then it's here, here, here. This is not the way. Here and here. I don't know where it's going, but this should be here interrupted. In case of what? In case of that, here is a capacitor. Here's a diode and it's running here. Okay, but where is the wire going? Here is the wire here, and what does that mean? It's funny, huh? This is funny. Here is one of the solder join. And this is going here. I'm too stupid to understand it. This is here, here, here. Okay, I understand this, but I don't understand this on this side. Aha, here is this. And what is this? Ah! Here I found one with a 3 feet. Where is this with the 3 feet? These 3 pins have all short to each other. And why? Can that be this is a... Can it be this is a little... I don't know what? A connection behind here and here? Okay, this is a connection behind here and here. That means the short can go here. And what does that mean? Maybe this with these 3 feet I have a problem. Oh no, it's not so. But I don't know where is the problem with the. Here is the ground. Here we have this minus, and here we have this. And here the thing is going over there. And then to a resistor with 1K. This is a lot of. What is this IC? Maybe this IC have the short. Some IC have the short. But what for IC? Here we have also interesting. No, it's not. I'm searching the plan. Maybe I'm found. What I found now out is here, between here and here was the short. Now, incidentally wise, I make the same mistake here during I solder it out. But, okay, that was my mistake. Now I would like to solder that in, and hope so. I need temperature. Hope so it is working. Maybe. If I change the capacitor, then it's working. Okay. I think so. It's not here anymore, the problem. And I insert it here. Maybe I have a wrong or a mistake. I make a mistake. I'm putting it in it here. And also the diodes. Bend it back. Bend this back. And what I would like to make is to change the electrolytical capacitor, and hope so the power supply is running. Yeah. We have also a possibility to give them back 2200 microfarads. It looks normal. And I give it back. But first we measure it. We should measure it. It's better we measure it. I don't have a low ESR meter, but I hope so. It's also good enough. How much we have here? We have here 2200 microfarads. That means we must go to the 20 microfarads, millifarads, and connect this correct on this side and correct on that side. Hope so. 2200, yeah, it's okay. It looks okay. You can see that. 2.2 millifarad. It's a 2200 microfarad. Yeah. I think it's okay. This is the effect. So it in and to the correct side. The bunch thing is the minus. I see that sometimes in Japanese radios, and this is a Yamaha, it's a Japanese radio, and we need to build it in correct. So it's now here and here, and then we need 1000 microfarads, 35 volts. It's correct here. We have that here and here, and we solder it in. So that we don't have a short. Wonderful. Oh, we need this for the short meter. The shorty. We take this and yeah. Hope so. There is now no. No. It's okay. It's loaded up. Look. It's loading up the capacitor. Do you see it? 73 ohms. Okay. That sounds good for me. And now we build it back, and I hope so I can use it. It can start. Maybe that was the only failure. How we can test it? We can only build it in and make a test. I don't have a possible way to test it outside. This is near impossible for me. Now You need special fingers for this to install it back. Yeah, the special finger is here. We press it in and cannot go in, huh? It's too hard. Can that be? This real? No. It's not so funny to build it in case of what? In case of you need that. Okay. We need that here and we need that here. And hope so the connector is going in. No, it's not going in. It's too difficult to press this connector in. Maybe in the middle. Just why? Why it's not going in? Oh, it's in. It is in. It's not doing schnapp. It is in, but it's not doing schnapp. The schnappy is not okay. Normally it makes a sound like schnapp also. And we install it again here with these screws on the side. This is interesting. Is it so or is it not so? How was that installed? Maybe so. It's correct. I think it's correct. Looks like so, yeah. Okay. Super. I hope so there is no short and we can bring it to start also. And it's difficult to tell. So, okay, and boom, and defect. I don't know what's happened now. Hope so. It's okay. No. Interesting. Yes. It's happened. What's happened? It's interesting. What is this for a button? Oh! Something is doing? Aux? Open. And open? No. Don't want open. Oh! Very funny. It needs a little bit time to start. This is dirty. Huh? And so what shall I say now? I make a CD. I have a CD here. Putting it in and closing the door and play. Play. It's playing. playing. And I need. It's running and it's playing, okay, but what I need now is I need a cable and a speaker. Where I have a cable and a speaker. It's complicated here. Clean up my room, but it's not so. Yeah, it's hard to press it in. Look, it's playing. Huh? That's cool. But the sound is from this speaker not so sound, bass, treble. It's the speaker. Rock, pop. Look, sound, bass, treble, balance, rock, pop, sounds other than this. This is track. Bass, you must go pop, jazz. But it sounds not good. And what is with the radio? FM radio. Okay, no radio station here. We cannot receive here anymore. Funny. Yeah, it's can do that up and down the memory, but no running mode, tuning mode. Preset mode, tuning mode. Okay, we go to tuning mode. Now we can go to 88.6. Must be a local radio station here, but we hear nothing. And I would like to give a special antenna, but here is no radio reception. The special antenna, here we are, the crocodile. Put the crocodile back. You hear little bit, okay, but very funny. No, the quality is not so not so spectacular. And AM, wow, AM, but it's dark. The display is a little bit dark, you see. In the sun it's dark. Maybe the display can go more. Display is written display. Sound. Input. SCART, aux, DVD. Okay, we go to the DVD. Loading. And now, nothing. No, not played. What does that mean? First it's playing, now it's not playing. Maybe it's dirty. Loading. Oh, but it's noisy. The sound quality is not so good. And it's not good. You hear a noise. What is this noise? Crazy. Yeah, it is so. We can do nothing. That was the Yamaha DVD-E700. Yeah, but the power supply failure is fixed, but they have other issues. I mean, the radio is at the same time in the noise as you're playing a CD. It's electronically switch failure, or I don't know. I don't search this because it's cool that I found the first failure, but the second, the third, and the fourth, and so on failures we can also fix, but it takes too long time for me. It's a little nice machine if it's working, but this is not so at this machine. They have also other issues for reading. Maybe is more DVD player also for the TV set, and then you can use it. But for a CD, there is the noise from the radio mixed, or I don't use it correct. Maybe there is a mixer activated for a radio channel and CD at the same time. I don't know. Yes, if you like my channel, please subscribe, and I say thank you for watching.